Along the coast of Peru lies the town of Huanchaco. Once a small beach town with no Seventh-day Adventist community, Huanchaco is now home to a growing congregation.
Y con anhelo de salvarnos, su propia vida entregó. Amén.
When Eva Sanchez moved here, she longed for a church community. Since the closest Seventh-day Adventist church was more than a 30-minute bus ride away, Eva took it upon herself to be a witness in her own town. Eva found a small, humble building to have meetings in and invited the whole community to attend. After seeing the effectiveness of the meetings, Eva realized the great need for a church within this community.
Sí se interesa. Amén. Muy bien. A ver qué nos dice la Biblia. En 3 Juan, versículo 2.
Amado, yo deseo que tú seas prosperado en todas las cosas.
With a growing interest from the people in Huanchaco, Eva is still reaching out to those searching for the light of Jesus. Sometimes she walks great distances to visit people in their homes and develops lasting relationships with those she reaches out to. Her efforts have had great impact on her community.
Dios que trabaja en los corazones de las personas.
Le agradezco bastante también que sea un hermanito joven que vino a avisarme.
Por gratitud. Por gratitud.
I share the gospel because I'm thankful to God, because Jesus touched my heart, and I really feel the power of Jesus. I want to continue to share the gospel.
Eva has finally found the church community she longed for when she moved to Huanchaco. As the numbers in this congregation continue to grow, their church building remains the same size. They are hoping to expand their building to fit the needs of the congregation. The needs for this church and many others around the world are great. Please pray for the faithful members in Huanchaco that they may continue to grow and be a light to their community. And thank you for your support of the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.